Senior Leadership and Management Masterclasses.
Make simple changes, but announce it with trumpets. Apple, yes, exactly. You'd understand this from the sales point of view.
Yeah.
Apple do this all the time. You take a where's my phone? You take an iPhone. You take a Samsung. The new one that's just been launched is only that much better than the last one that's launched, and yet you get people queuing outside of the. They need to rebrand, don't they? The car phone warehouse.
Yeah.
I don't think you're supposed to use phones in your cars. Car phone warehouse, or even even from the Apple stores or wherever it is that you're purchasing on the day of launch, and it gets in the press, and you see people wanting to buy it. Oh, but the camera has 2,000 more pixels, and my wife once said, "Oh, I just want it because it's a nice new colour.
Rose gold. Yeah.
It's rose gold." Yeah, exactly. But so it's selling the same monster. It's the same beast, but it's just ever so slightly different. And you get people excited by that. Why?
It's the sizzle, not the sausage, isn't it?
You sell the sizzle, but not the sausage. That's an advertising concept. The purpose or the meaning behind selling the sizzle and not the sausage is what, though? Because it's slightly different to what we're talking
You get the
about.
buy-in to win the. You're triggering an emotion, aren't you? An attachment.
Well, you're whetting people's appetite.
Yeah.
That's the purpose of selling the sizzle, not the sausage. You are selling the sausage, but it's just a little. It's just a minor change. It's just now we're adding a little bit of sage. So what? Well, no, the flavour. You've got to get this. You've got to be a connoisseur of sausages to be able to really understand and grasp the need to be able to buy this product, because this product is new. It's the same as the old. No, it's not. Yes? But you announce it with trumpets to let people know that this is worth having, this change is worth grasping. But the reason why this is so very important is because of what we discussed in the intro earlier about people's boxes.
Yeah.
What's going on here?
Does it scare them? It's like, oh,
Exactly.
Yeah.
Enroll on this masterclass now to influence your output, growth, change and culture. Enroll now at nicholashill.com or call 0345 678 9900.